Welcome to the Philips 24B2N3200J monitor setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your Philips monitor. Let's get started. First, let's see what's inside the box. We have the monitor itself, the base, the stand, the power cord, the HDMI cord, the DisplayPort cord, and lastly we have the quick start guide, which is handy for setup instructions. Let's set up the monitor's base and stand. First, we will lay the monitor on a flat surface facing down. Next, we will connect the stand to the monitor. Gently attach the stand to the monitor until you hear it snap in place. Finally, we will screw the base to the bottom of the stand. Let's go over the 24B2N3200J viewing angles. For optimal viewing, it is recommended to look at the full face of the monitor, then adjust the monitor's angle to your own preference. Hold the top and bottom of the monitor so it will not topple when you change the monitor's angle. The monitor can be height adjusted 150 millimeters and tilted -5 degrees to +30 degrees. It can also swivel -180 to +180 degrees and pivot -90 to +90 degrees. Note: to avoid potential screen damage such as panel peeling, ensure that the monitor does not tilt downward by more than -5 degrees. Do not press the screen while adjusting the angle of the monitor. Grasp only the bezel. Next, let's see the ports on the monitor. The monitor has a display port, one HDMI port, a VGA port, an audio in port, a USB up port, and 2 USB-A ports. On the side of the monitor, it has 2 USB-A ports and 1 audio out port. In this example, we will connect via the HDMI port to the monitor and HDMI port to the computer. First, connect the power cable to your monitor and then plug into your nearest wall outlet. Next, we will plug into the monitor's HDMI port and to the HDMI port of the computer. To access the OSD menu, press the OK button. Please pause the video for a list of the menu controls. To lock the OSD, press and hold the OK button while the monitor is off, and then press the power button to turn the monitor on. To unlock the OSD, press and hold the OK button while the monitor is off, and then press the power button to turn the monitor on. Note: you will not receive a message saying the keys are unlocked. Rather, you will now be able to access the OSD controls. And there you have it. Your Philips monitor is now ready to use, redefining workflow productivity.